mimi nilisema uchaguzi ulikwisha, tusameane. Tulikwaruzana, tulipigana, uchaguzi umeisha. We are the same people, we are brothers and sisters. Why should we fight each other? Tuendelea nwetu, tuohanire, turekanire. Ni icio niguo mugambo wako he nyumba ino itu githurano giathirire. Andu othe ni mohanire, marekanire. Ndukanoe kahiu thece mũrũ wa nyũkwa mũgongo, ndukanaiguĩre mwarĩ wa nyũkwa ũigua atĩ nĩahikio nĩ gĩtonga, no ũkorwo gĩtonga kĩu nĩ gĩathomithia ciana ciaku. Rekei twendane andũ a nyũmba itũ, na ithuano itikana tũgayũkanie, na tũtikagayũkanie nĩ andũ kuuma na nja. Rekei tũcire twĩ nyũmba, tũiguithanie, tũcire maũndũ maitũ, twendane, tũiguanĩre tha, tũnyitanĩrĩre. Na nĩ njugaga mbogo iticiaraga hamwe nĩ kwendana, nĩ ũgwati wa gũthiĩ rĩiki. Koguo no korwo ndwendete ũrĩa ũngĩ, angĩkorwo mwaragia wario rũmwe, mwende tu, ikara tu nake tondũ nĩ wanyu, na kũngĩiguo ũguo nĩwe ũgũka gũgũteithũra. Koguo rekei twendane nyũmba itũ, tũrekanĩre, tuohanĩre, twendane, tũnyitane, tũgĩe na ũrũmwe, na Ngai witũ nĩ agũtũkinyia kũrĩa twendaga gũkinya. I called for the unity of this region. And I'm happy that the ordinary people from this region are united to a man. True or false? So, ignore a few noises here and there. And I ask the leaders from this region, please, all politics is local. All politics is local. Listen to the ground. Takuuliza viongozi wote. And these MCAs, they know because we're talking ground. Wanaketi ground, wanasikiza ground. Listen to the ground. And leaders of this region who want to fight unity, don't speak in Western. Don't speak in Rift Valley. Come and speak here. If you think this unity is a bad thing for the Mount Kenya region or is tribalism the way I'm hearing, don't speak outside there. Kuja ita mkutano hapa Mkurueini, useme hii umoja ya Mount Kenya ni ukabila. Kaati kwa doitu. They should come and speak from here. Don't speak from far. Because I want to advise our leaders with tremendous respect. Please, our leaders, all politics is local. Listen to your people. Listen to the ground. Align your thinking, your utterances with the people. That is what I do all the time. Mimi nasikizaga ground. I align myself with the ground. At any one time. And I've never gotten it wrong in my political life. Any time a decision has to be made, ninaingia mashinani nasikiza, and I align to my bosses, the people. These are our bosses. And these are the final boss. Wenye kurenew contract yako ni hawa. Wenye kuterminate contract yako ni hawa. These are the people you must please. There are other bosses, lakini the final boss ya mtu wote ya kuchaguliwa ni hawa. Na mimi najua hiyo. I know that. So me, I listen to the ground. I listen to my people. My people are saying we want to be united. And we are not being united against anybody or any other region. We are united in purpose so that we can fight for our fair share of the national cake. So that we can retain our relevance in the national political discourse. So that when we go to sit on the table to decide on what happens to Kenya, tunakuta kiti yetu imewekwa mpaka imewekelewa maua, kwa sababu tuko wengi na tuko na nguvu. Nguvu yetu ikiisha, hatutavua kwa hiyo meza.